Hey there, fellow drivers. I'm Brian, your go-to honest mechanic, back with another insightful episode to keep your ride running smoothly. Today, we're diving into a crucial yet often overlooked aspect of car maintenance: wheel alignment. So, what is wheel alignment exactly? Well, it's all about making sure the angles of your wheels are set just right, according to your car manufacturer's specifications. This process involves adjusting the angles of the tires, and yes, that affects how they make contact with the road. Now, you might be wondering, why is wheel alignment so important? It's simple. Proper alignment ensures optimal handling of your vehicle. It maximizes the life of your tires, helping you get the most out of every mile. Most importantly, it keeps your vehicle running straight and true, which is vital for your safety. It's not just about a smooth ride, it's also a matter of safety and efficiency. Now, let's look at the telltale signs that your car needs a wheel alignment. Keep an eye out for these clues. First on our list is uneven tire wear. It's more than just a cosmetic concern. It's a clear signal that your wheels may be out of alignment. If your tires are wearing down unevenly or prematurely, that's a hard-to-ignore sign that your alignment is off. For instance, you may notice that the tread is significantly more worn on one side of the tire than the other, or that certain tires are wearing down faster than others. Next up, we have the issue of your vehicle pulling to one side. If you're cruising down a straight road and notice that your car seems to be drifting or pulling to one side, it's time to check your alignment. This isn't something you can just adjust to or ignore. It's a sign your wheels aren't aligned as they should be. Then we have steering wheel vibration. If your hands are feeling a constant buzz or shake as you hold the steering wheel, that could well be a sign that your wheels aren't aligned correctly. It's not just uncomfortable, it's a warning that your car needs attention. Lastly, we have the crooked steering wheel. If your steering wheel isn't centered while you're driving straight, or if it's off-center when your wheels are pointed straight ahead, it's a clear sign of alignment issues. Your steering wheel is your direct line of communication with your car. If it's telling you something's wrong, you should listen. Ignoring these signs can lead to bigger problems down the road, like increased tire wear and tear, poor fuel efficiency, and even safety risks. So it's best to get it checked out by a professional. Getting your wheels aligned is a straightforward process that can save you a lot of trouble and expense in the long run, so don't delay. Remember, uneven tire wear, your vehicle pulling to one side, steering wheel vibration, or a crooked steering wheel are clear signs your car needs a wheel alignment. If you spot any of these, take action. That's all for today's episode. Remember, regular maintenance is key to your car's health, and wheel alignment plays a big part in that. If you've got any questions or need help with your vehicle, drop a comment below or swing by our shop. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest mechanic tips and tricks. Drive safe, and I'll see you on the road.